How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day as always. Today we're heading to the Chevy dealership to pick up a mod for the 5th gen Camaro. What is that mod? It's something very simple and very cheap. You'll be amazed. We'll show you what it is here in just a minute. As you can now see, we are leaving the Chevy dealership. And what was the part, you may be asking? Let me get pulled out in traffic and here we go. Talk to you after I get out in traffic. Now what I have is something very small for the car, and actually it's not a mod per se. It's something that I actually lost. I don't know how in the heck I lost it. I don't know how in the world I lost it, but I did. And what it is in this bag. Very, very simple. Let's get home and I'll give you the part number and all that good stuff, and then we will go from there. All right, here we are at the house, and here's the part number. It's 92228925. You can see it right there for yourself. 92228925. And what this is, it's called a liner kit, or a door trim panel pocket. And that's what it is. Where does it go? Let's go show you. Where it goes is in this beauty. Open the door. Oh my goodness, where oh where would the door trim panel pocket be? Right on the door, of course. And it goes right there. Let's go around to the other side and I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. Now what it is supposed to look like is like this one. As you can see, right there. Missing that piece. And let me tell you a funny story about it. The funny story is, and it's not that funny, is I was washing one of the cars. I was over there doing the tires, I think. I can't remember precisely. It may have even been doing the floor mats. But I sat there and I seen this little piece laying on the ground. I picked it up and I looked at it and I was like, the heck is that? So I looked around in the cars and everything. I didn't see anything missing. And I thought I put it up, but evidently I threw it away. Knowing me, I probably said, well, if I need it, it'll turn up and then I'll know what it is and I can buy it. Well, here we are. I know what it is and I had to buy it. But yeah, it goes right there. Stupid old me. It's one of those things. And it's not an expensive part. It's only $6 and some change with tax. So it's not that bad. You just have to wait a day to get it. But let's get it put in and see how it looks. As you can see, there it is. That's called black. It looks like a dark gray to me, but it looks black. I mean, they call it black. And of course, made in good old Canada. Yay, Canada. But it is an official GM part because that's where I ordered it from, is GM. But as you can see, all it holds it in is these two little rubber tabs. That's it. Just two on that one side. But all you do is sitting on the key like a dummy. I do that every time. Push it down in there. Work the other sides in. It locks it in place. That quick, that easy. How it came out, I do not know. But me being the type of person I am, that drove me crazy. So I had to have it. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Now let's hope I don't lose that again, because that'll be another $6 or $7 I have to spend. If by that time you can even find them. But that's all I got for you right now. Like I said, number is 92228925. Right there's the number again. And it is an official GM part. And you'd be able to see it if I wouldn't have shredded it upon opening it. Certified parts, GM, straight from Canada. Oh, Canada. I won't even bore you with that one. But that's all I got for you today. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video, quick little mod. You know, the devil's in the details, they say. And these details would have bugged the crap out of me, so I had to fix it. You know, it's one of those things. So if you ever get the idea to throw yours away, or want to know what that little piece is, what that little part is called, now you know. Until next time, get out there and enjoy those cars. That's what they're for. I just enjoyed fixing mine. It was bugging the crap out of me. Until next time, take care. Thank you for watching.